Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2014 Dodge Dart. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, like leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, front dual-zone air conditioning, power moonroof, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.